Hi, it's Lori with Positive Things Living, and I'm here with a Cara Brandon Creations design team project. I'm actually there on the design team. I'm still kind of tickled about that. It's all about Farmhouse Fresh. I really like how Cara describes it in the Etsy description, which will be linked below. But it's got my favorite color, which is that bluey teal. Memorable days end with dirtiest clothes. So there's 20 pages in this kit. It's a digital kit, so you download it and print it yourself. My printer prints from edge to edge of the paper, so I really appreciate that. If I were to use this as a journaling page, that would work out really well for me. So the tealy blue color of a barn, and a bit distressed, but it's not weathered or old in any way. It's just it's fresh. I like that word. And we've got windmills and some sunflowers and a rooster or a chicken in a wheelbarrow, and the teal, it goes with the peach so beautifully. See, it just works so nicely. And the stacked animals. Again, another windmill. And it's like barn board with a little bit of chicken wire. Yeah, fresh. Got some strawberry plants in the peachy colors and some teal and pretty florals. A collage page that we can use to cut up or as it is. Pears and sunflowers. And the peach with a ghosting of chickens, roosters with some spots on it. Now this here is upside down. And these are seed packets. I think these are the seed packets for flowers, and then we've got different vegetables in the black and white. So you can see I got out my black gingham because I think that'll go really well with the kit. You got the tealy bluey color and some fresh vegetables here. Doesn't it just remind you of summer? It's fresh, it's lush. Yeah, maybe that's another word for it, lush. And a peachy color. And upside down page with both the blue and the peach colors with some splashes of the teal on it and the farm animals. Our granddaughter has a book that she really likes. It's called The Farmhouse Dance. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Everybody ready for a barnyard dance. There, barnyard dance. So this kind of reminds me of that too. It's fun. Some large tags, nice size tags with the same images echoing the colors. Some black and white tags, chicken wire, and some pockets for those tags to go in. Same tags, just a nice smaller size, slightly smaller. You could even pair the different ones together. And some journaling cards. Yeah. And this Cara calls a layered tag. So beginning with the tag and then a pocket to put it in and little bits and pieces to fussy cut out. Some labels to layer the tags. Tag. Cool. This is like a ledger. Very nice. And the fussy cut images. One of the other ladies on the design team, I watched her introduction of this kit, and she referred to the fact that there's a outline along all these fussy cuts. So it makes it easier. You don't have this stark white outline to try and cover up with ink or something. Makes it easier to cut out and use on your pages. So, yeah, I agree with her. She referred to the fact that Cara was brilliant, and I second that. Okay, so you've got some fussy cut images, you've got a layered tag, you have journaling cards, you have small tags and large tags. You have pockets to put the tags in. You have pretty floral and farm animal pages, some plainer pages but still colored nicely. And there's this one, and then there's this one, like that. Then you have some interesting tags, black and white, and this pear blue. You have a collage paper, and then the pretty different journaling pages to use for your fresh farmhouse journal, or you could use it to make cards, or you could use it as a glue book, just gluing in different things about the summer or whatever you enjoy about the country. I think this kit will lend itself to a lot of different styles. So I'm excited to play around a bit and see what the other ladies on the design team come up with. I'm Lori, Positive Thanks Living, and we'll see you next time. Take care.